Good morning to all my dear students. Hope you all are well. Dear students, in our last class we discussed about difference between the chemical and physical changes, right? And I already told some examples of chemical and physical changes. Anybody memorize some example for chemical changes? Yes, you are right. What are they? Photosynthesis, digestion. These are some chemical changes, is it? In that changes, can you see any product? We already told that chemical changes means it gives some new products. But in photosynthesis, can you see it? In digestion, you can see the products of chemical reaction. No, right. So today I am planning to show some experiment. From that you can clearly understood what is chemical reaction and what is the product formed there. Okay, so all these things now we can discuss. Okay, so all of you listen carefully. Now, everybody look in my hand. Zoom your eyes, zoom your camera. What do you observe, children? What do you observe? A brownish color you can see in this steel. In this iron you can see a brownish color. Right, children? What it is actually, this brown color? This brown color actually, when the iron piece that is reacting with the environment, a brown color is formed. That is, we call rest of iron. We call it as a rest of iron. That is one chemical reaction. And when you observe in the shaving set, that blade, you can see one brown color is formed. When it is react with environment, a brown color formed in that blade, shaving blade. And also iron pan, you can observe that a brown color. That is actually chemical reaction happened there. Now we can check one experiment. From that you can clearly understand what is chemical reaction and what products are formed in that reaction. So carefully you have to check that reaction. Children, I will show you some experiment. Okay, how chemical changes are happening. Okay, in this experiment, my first experiment, all of you listen carefully. I have two test tube in my hand. Okay, two test tube. In this test tube, I took baking soda. Okay, baking soda. Okay, in this test tube, vinegar, acetic acid, vinegar. Okay, so a pinch of baking soda in one test tube and in another test tube vinegar. Okay, and when I am adding this baking soda to this vinegar, what will happen? Everybody look carefully. What will happen when I am adding this baking soda to vinegar? What will happen, children? What do you observe? Bubbles are formed, right? This is carbon dioxide bubbles. Bubbles are formed, right? You can clearly see it here, bubbles are formed, right? These bubbles are actually carbon dioxide. Okay, so this is one chemical reaction. So clearly you can see bubbles, right? These are carbon dioxide. When I am passing this carbon dioxide into a freshly limed water, what will happen? That lime water become milky. Children, in first experiment we observed when vinegar is, that is acetic acid, right? Vinegar that is mixing with what, children? Vinegar is mixing with baking soda. What will happen? What will happen? Carbon dioxide and some other substance also formed. Okay, in this reaction, clear all of you? When vinegar is mixed up with baking soda, a new substance is formed, carbon dioxide and some other substance, right? And after that, this carbon dioxide we are passing to lime water, freshly formed lime water. When we are passing, lime water is a calcium hydroxide, right? And this carbon dioxide is passing to the lime water. What will form, children? Calcium carbonate and water is formed. So here new substance also formed. In this reaction we can observe that lime water turn into milky, right? It is actually standard test of carbon dioxide. When lime water turns into milky, that is the standard test of what? carbon dioxide. Okay, so in chemical reaction, new substances are formed like carbon dioxide and calcium carbonate. These substances are formed, and we can hear hissing sound, right? Like when bubbles are formed, we can hear that hissing sound. So what mainly in chemical reaction, maybe some sounds are produced, or we can see some different color of lights and different smell we can feel. These all the things will happen in chemical reaction. So next time we'll show another experiment. Take copper sulfate in a test tube and dip nail or used shaving blade into that solution. Actually, this copper sulfate is a blue color solution. When we are drop that nail or used shaving blade into that solution, after wait for an half an hour, what will you observe? You can see that blue color solution. That means that copper sulfate solution turns into green color solution. That means actually first it was copper sulfate, right? And then when we are mixing with the iron means nail or like blade. When copper sulfate is mixing with iron, it formed iron sulfate. That is that green color solution. Iron sulfate, and that color of nail changed to become brown color. That is actually copper. Okay, so new substances are formed in this chemical reaction. We can check the formula. That blue color solution, copper sulfate, is mixing with iron. What will happen, children? Iron sulfate and copper is formed. Okay, in this reaction we can clearly understand copper sulfate, that blue color solution, is mixing with iron. When we are dipping that nail, when we are dipping that blade into that copper sulfate solution, what will happen? That color changed to green color. That iron sulfate is a green color, and copper also formed. Copper means that blade become brownish color. Understood? So this is one chemical reaction. Color also changed in this reaction. I already told in chemical reaction maybe heat produced, light produced, or color may be changed and smell also come like that. We can check one more experiment. Chemical reaction. That is magnesium ribbon. Do you know, children, magnesium ribbon? That is a silver color ribbon. Okay. Bring the ribbon of tip near the candle flame. That is, when it is react with the flame, what will happen, children? Magnesium oxide is formed. Okay, a new substance. Magnesium oxide, that is powdery ash. Okay, that magnesium oxide is formed, and that magnesium oxide mixing with water, magnesium hydroxide is formed. Actually, this magnesium hydroxide is, you already learned hydroxide. That means it is a base. In acid and base chapter, we already learned about acid and bases. So, like this magnesium hydroxide is a base. Okay. So, this also one chemical reaction. When magnesium is mixing with the oxygen, magnesium oxide is formed. And this magnesium oxide mixing with water, what will happen, children? That ashes mixes with water, what will happen? Magnesium hydroxide is formed. So dear children, in this class we discussed about three chemical changes, right? From these chemical changes, we understood different things. That means a reaction, a new substance are formed. Okay, new substance are formed in chemical reaction. Then, what is your next summary, children? Then what is your another observation? In chemical reaction only new substances are formed? No. Sometimes colors also change. Color also change and different smell may become. Okay. Then light or heat is produced in chemical reaction. Light or heat. These are main things happening in chemical reaction. Clear all of you? We observed that color of copper sulfate changed into iron sulfate, like that blue color changed into green color, right? And a light is produced when burning of magnesium, a light is produced, is it? And another experiment also we check that color of that is slime water change into milky color, right? That also chemical changes, right children? So all should have to do only one experiment in your home. You can do any from these three, you can do any one experiment in your home, and you have to upload that video in Google Classroom. This is your activity. Okay, do any one experiment, any one chemical experiment in your home and upload it in the Google Classroom. Okay, so we can meet in our next class. Thank you.